Tokyo Station. Beautiful, dynamic.
And in the middle of winter.
It is a bit cold.
No, it's not.
It's not cold enough for you?
Mm-mm.
Well, in that case, we're gonna go into the station, get our JR East rail passes, and bullet train our way over to the northeast region of Japan called
Tohoku.
We're gonna get off the beaten track, get at the railway track, and go see the sights, the heritage. This is what I was waiting for.
Food.
Food. Octopus fish sperm.
Hi.
Definitely the snow. And explore the 6 prefectures that make up the region and find out what makes that area so special. I'm Shoin Wolf. I'm a time and space traveler who likes culture, history, doing stuff.
I'm Grace Bernadas, a total foodie, and I'm excited to eat my way through Tohoku. So, let's go on an adventure.
Welcome to Japan, a land of contrasts where the new and old happily tease each other side by side. Visitors come to Japan for hundreds of reasons. But we are here to ride the bullet train and ride it around one of Japan's most picturesque areas, Tohoku, using our JR East Rail Pass.
As a tourist, your Tohoku Rail Pass can be bought overseas or in a few stations in Japan. The process is easy.
I will recommend you to get the JR East Tohoku area pass.
So for this pass, you can use it for the whole area within Tohoku region.
And you can get on board all the bullet train, JR rapid train, local train.
For 5 days within a 14 days period. No restriction on the timing. So in order to process your exchange order, I will need your name, date of birth, nationality of your passport, and your passport number.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your trip.
You've got your voucher, right?
Uh-huh.
Great, okay. Let's go exchange it for the rail pass. Hi. Thank you. Tohoku is made up of 6 prefectures, but because there's so much to see, we have decided to divide and conquer.
Which train station you direct?
I'm going to Morioka.
One pass will direct you
One
to
pass.
Morioka.
Yes.
And I'm going to Koriyama
I see.
in Fukushima.
So these are your JR East pass
Okay.
for the Tohoku regions.
Alright.
Any 5 days you can use within this promo today. And not only for the high-speed train, for the intercity Shinkansen, intercity express, and local train, then local buses as well operation by JR you can use.
Okay.
Okay.
So these are your pass. And if you take the express train, you can get assigned seat.
Okay.
Any other questions?
I think we're good. We're excited for our trip. Thank you so much.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
I'm going to the bottom 3 prefectures, Miyagi, Fukushima, and Yamagata.
And I have the top 3, which is the Akita, Aomori, and Iwate. Look at it. That's beautiful. Bullet train time.
Winter Wonderland, here we come! Japanese bullet trains. Who doesn't want to experience the Japanese bullet trains?
All right, have fun.
I thought I'd start my journey with a bit of time travel and head to the meticulously preserved old town Ouchijuku. Hundreds of years ago, samurai and feudal lords used to stop here on their way to Edo, the old name for Tokyo.
Once you get past all of that snow, it's like walking into a 400-year-old painting. Unbelievable. I have never seen something like this before, only in pictures.
大内宿っていうのはですね、江戸時代にここは宿場町として整備された場所で、会津のお殿様とかそういう人たちがここを参勤交代っていう行列で通った宿場町なんです。ここにどうして多くのお客さんが来てくれるかっていうのは、やっぱりかやぶき屋根とかここ街道がアスファルトとかコンクリートじゃないのね、土なの。それでそういうところは都会にはないでしょう。やっぱりみんなコンクリートであったりアスファルトであったり鉄であったり。
There's also another reason people love coming here. Giant chopstick leeks.
ネギそばっていうのは会津、ここじゃなくてもっと会津若松の方に昔っていうのは結婚式とかそういうのってみんな式場なんてないんで、このお家の中でやってたのね。お蕎麦の中にやっぱり薬味としてネギは切ってやっぱり入れたんでしょうけれども、お祝いの席でのネギを切って出すっていうのは縁を切るとか、やっぱり切るっていうことが言葉が良くないんで、そのまま長いのを丼に入る程度に切って入れたらしいの、昔は。
Thank you.
おネギの白い方でお蕎麦をすくって食べてみてください。
So I use this to scoop here?
Okay.
Oh.
上手ですね。はい。
Look at this small town. It's really quiet too, but it has so much to say.
Got off at Morioka Station. I'm visiting Shizukuishi Ski Resort. Hopefully, I can do some skiing.
Finally at the ski resort. I'm so pumped to ski. They told me to wait up here for my clothes to change. And yeah, just waiting around for now. Oh, hi, konnichiwa.
忍者しました。こちらに着替えてください。
Ninja.
Ski snowing ninja?
Hopefully. There we go. Let's go. Whoa.
Oh, hi, Sensei. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Yes, ninja training. Let's do this. I did it. Oh. This next? Snowshoes?
Sensei!
We're done. I did it. You drinking coffee? What? A tube? When he started drinking coffee and basically told me to run up the hill in the snow, that's when I realized this guy's not a ninja.
Not a ninja yet? Oh! No! How did I do? Coffee for me? For me. Does this mean that I'm a ninja master now? Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you. Can we drink this somewhere more warm? Is that...
I enjoyed my skiing in a not skiing at all, but dressed as a ninja kind of way. But this ninja now needs ice cream. You know what the Japanese do really well? They make history fun. Did you know winter is very harsh in Tohoku from December through February?
But I think I found the mother of all icicles.
Temperatures can regularly reach -5 degrees centigrade, with snow falling up to 18 times every month. So, keeping warm and having fun in winter has been a centuries-old tradition for the Japanese.
Cold.
heading to Koiwai Farm to get some of the best ice cream in the country.
Ooh, what's this? I know I said I wanted ice cream, but I want to do that first.
Hey, you weren't going that fast with everyone else. Yeah, kind of felt sick at the end.
Careful what you wish for. Ice cream straight from the source. Arigatou gozaimasu. This is one of the top ice creams I've ever had in my life. It's really good. So these are the kind of the famous cows of the farm. You guys are giants.
After the ice cream, Farm Director Hiromi took me straight to the source. There are more than 2,000 cattle here, with each cow being able to produce up to 30 liters of milk a day.
I mean, these cows were milk machines.
牛の健康のために外に出してやっぱり運動をさせるんですね。で、牛が健康じゃないといいお乳が出ないので、いい餌を食べさせてちゃんと運動させて健康に保たなくちゃいけないんですね。
Wow, that must be a lot of milk.
But Koiwai Farm doesn't just ooze milk, it oozes history.
So when was all of this built?
これは1935年の建設なので、84年になる建物です。
84 years. Wow, so 84 years, it's just been like this, and you just kept it like this. Wow. I love their effort to preserve the natural landscape and architecture, and yet keep it running as a fully functioning business. That is beautiful.
I'm going to the city of Kitakata next, home to one of Japan's 3 major ramen noodle dynasties. I've heard that Kitakata noodles are different from other prefectures in Japan, so I'm going to a shop called Bannai Shokudo to find out why, if I can get there in time.
Hello? Excuse me, you guys still open?
Oh, yeah. Hi, どうぞ.
Thank you. So thank you very much. Sorry, thank you. Oops, that was the owner. Wow.
どうもお待たせしました。
Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you very much. I've been waiting for this ramen.
It's actually the noodles in Kitakata ramen that differentiate them from other areas in Japan. They're fatter, softer, and just more slippery. And it's all about the water.
It's really good.
The water is so pure around here that it's not just ramen that benefits. This lush water has encouraged numerous sake breweries as well as miso and soy sauce manufacturers to settle here. As a result, Kitakata has boomed.
まだ北方ラーメンっていうふうなことで有名になった時は人口が3万7,000人ぐらいで、それに120軒ぐらいのラーメン屋さんがありました。
I didn't realize I was in the center of the ramen universe.
自分で頼むというふうなことができるので、店それぞれの味が楽しめるというふうな。
Full of awe and warm, slippery noodles, it was time to just relax and ponder. What an amazing day.
I've been told to try a dish called wanko soba, often eaten during celebrations.
Let's go celebrate? Hello. Hey, okay. Yes, just fine. Thank you. I know it's a Iwate Prefecture specialty. That's what I'm excited about.
失礼いたします。
あ
お待たせいたし
こんにちは
ました。こんにちは。
はい
はい、おしぼりとお茶でございます。こちらがわんこそばのコースでございます。
Ooh, wanko
わんこそば、
soba.
はい。
So, looks like I'm eating soba. Nothing to it. Oh, I wear this? Okay. Just, okay. Looks like we're gonna get messy.
お薬味でございます。失礼いたします。こちらが鍋子おろしですね。はい。こちらが鶏そぼろでございます。1杯目はお蕎麦のお味見としてそのままお召し上がりください。2杯目、3杯目からは目の前にありますお好きな薬味使ってお召し上がりください。頑張ってください。はい、失礼します。
Something fishy's going on here.
さあ、失礼いたします。
Whoa.
はい、じゃんじゃんよ、じゃんじゃんよ、頑張って。
So this just keeps coming, huh? Yeah. Nope.
はい、じゃんじゃん。
Oh, this is such a pressured meal. Wait, am I even allowed to chew here? Oh, you do not quit.
はい、まだまだ。
Okay, okay, okay. Whoa.
はい、レッツゴー。
This is intense. Bring in some chicken, maybe.
はい。よいしょ。
You have no mercy. Please, please.
99。
99.
100。はい、どうぞ頑張って。
Done.
I was trying to run away, and she kept following me.
I think I'm done. Thank you.
This is basically non-consensual soba eating at this point.
今デザートをお持ちしますので、ね。
Dessert?
はい、少々お待ちください。
But I'm already dying inside.
こちらが15杯で30、60、90と104杯。
104. I don't think many people can eat that much. I'm pretty proud of myself. SHOIN.
はい。
Whoa.
お疲れ様でした。
Wow,
おめで
thank
とう
you
ご
so
ざいま
much.
す。はい。
ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。
It was hilarious. She was hilarious. I have never experienced anything like this. No words.
There are foxes everywhere, as in everywhere.
Did you know Japan is home to the world's first and only fox sanctuary? There are more than 200 foxes here with a variety of species. Japanese love and respect foxes, believing them to be intelligent creatures. In ancient folklore, the locals even considered them shapeshifters of the human form.
It's cook your own food day. Awesome. Finally got here. A short bus ride away from Hachinohe Station is a local market where I hear you can buy your own fish and then cook it yourself.
I love this color palette. So much raw fish. That prawn is so big. One, please. Arigatou gozaimasu. Look at all this fish. So many types that I've never seen before. Look at that octopus. So this crab is hairy. Tohoku region, only spring, you can get these snow crabs, which are hairy. Hotate, okay. I'll grab one of these. Ooh, so rice. Make your own sushi bowl. Never had this before. Oh, yeah.
And there's nothing fresher than buying and eating it on the spot.
Very good. Thank you very much.
Okay, that was a good food stop. Let's find a place to cook this. Oh wait, there's more.
Really quick, right here. Check out this fish.
What on earth is that?
これは深いところにいて今の時期だけ季節限定 2月いっぱい今月ぐらいまでしか見られない魚なんですけどね、産卵で上がってくるの。この辺ではごっこ。
ごっこ。
いたずらしちゃうかな。実家が魚屋なので、まあ小さい時から魚には親しんできてましたね。まあうちの店は今年で105年かな。
Wow.
なってるので、町の方に本店があります。
What looked like a reasonably modern, ordinary store turned out to have a 100-year history. I love that. What is this?
これも白子。
So this is octopus fish sperm.
はい、そう。
It looks just like liver pate though, so I think I'm gonna try it. Can I have one, please?
はいはいどうぞ。
Thank you.
はい、
じゃあ。
どうぞ。
Ooh, this one, I'm gonna put this one here. As is, okay, perfect. Octopus flavored cheese semen. This is absolutely insane. Cheese. Cheese. What's not to like? When in Japan. All right, barbecue time, Tohoku style. I'm just gonna throw this on here.
That was a great wander. Now it's time to kick back and grill.
This is good.
I'm on the way to the secluded hot spring town of Ginzan Onsen. I thought the journey itself was pretty special, and then I arrived at Ginzan Onsen village itself.
I mean, what is this? A picture postcard competition?
You can see everything is white.
Wow! Ooh. This really is winter wonderland for me.
Oozing with nostalgic charm, this old village is an onsen lover's dream, sightseer's paradise, and food lover's heaven.
Hello.
Hi, こんにちは。
こんにちは。
はい。
Is this where I buy tofu?
あ、そうですね。はいはい。暖かくなるにはやっぱり温かいものとして湯豆腐とか生揚げとかあります。はい。おすすめは生揚げかな。
Then can I have that, please?
はい。1個ですね。
Yes.
はい。はい、どうぞ。
I'm sorry, I don't see any seeds. Is there anywhere where I can eat this?
場所はですね、このちょうど向かいに足湯がありますので、そこで皆さん足をお湯に温泉に浸しながら食べます。
ありがとうございます。Okay, we better find that foot bath then. Oh, this might be it. That is ridiculously hot. When did this kind of tradition start?
15、16年前かな、足湯ができたのは、それからのずっとお客さんの習慣のようですね。
So, there I was, with tofu in hand, outside in the snow, with my feet soaked in super hot natural spring water. Japan really blows your mind sometimes. So much snow falling, but no sound at all. This place is just pure magic. It looks like a scene out of Narnia. Waterfalls, right over there. Konnichiwa.
Beautifully frozen, it was time to let it go and indulge.
Oh, ice cream.
and soba ice cream at that. And so to the end of a beautiful day.
Really, it's the quintessential Japanese site. Castle in the snow.
Beautiful. This is what I've came here for.
Hirosaki Castle in Tohoku was the last watchtower from the Edo period. Did you know, to carry out preservation work in this centuries-old building, engineers had to physically move the base by 80 meters in 2015?
Hi! I'm finally here in Matsushima Kaigan Station. I have heard that this is one of the 3 most scenic places in Japan, and I just have to see it for myself.
But first, brunch. As we are right on the water, I've been told I should try a very local way of eating oysters.
That's a lot of oysters, though. Ooh, it says here, oyster shacks. There are oysters right here. Ooh. Oysters. My first reaction was pearls. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of oysters.
The speciality here is boiled oysters, by the bucket load. But first, a steam bath. Once the temperature hits 90 degrees, the oysters are ready to eat.
Look at the amount of smoke that, oh my god.
殻の下の方を押さえてナイフで、はい、そして上の殻をカパッと開ける。これここ、そうそう、グリグリグリ。そしたら貝柱ここにあるから貝柱。
It's really, really delicious. Oh my gosh, it's so mild. It's so soft and it's so fresh. Once you bite into it, all of the juices just flow out.
The oyster hut is open from October to March. Who would have thought oysters would make such a great winter dish?
I did find something inside the oyster. It wasn't a pearl, though. It was such a unique way of eating oysters, and I was guided every step of the way by the lovely Yukurin-san.
Everyone loves udon. I've been told this restaurant has udon with a difference.
All right, looks like the place. Wow.
はい、いらっしゃいませ。
Hello, konnichiwa.
はい、いらっしゃいませ。どうぞ。
I heard that this was a udon shop?
はい、ここうどんもありますけども、まあこう蔵を見せていますので、まあ両方あるということですね。
Hold on. This is a museum inside a vault inside a udon restaurant?
Is it possible to check out the vault?
はい、大丈夫です。
Really?
ええ。
Awesome. This is fantastic.
Okay, so there's like an inside door.
はい。 これですね。インサイドドアですね。
Ah, they have multiple doors to close it. I think everyone has wanted to close a giant vault in their life. See you later.
This udon goes back to the Edo period and was served primarily to royalty or higher class patrons. A couple of generations ago, the master released the recipe so it was available to everyone.
So can you tell me about the udon side of this place? Because I came here for the udon.
私どものうどんはですね、万延元年って言いますか、江戸時代の末期ですね、そこから始まっておりまして、ただいまね8代目になっておりますね。
Okay.
そしてうどんの特徴としてはですね、手内っていうふうのがありましてですね、これが特徴になってまして、非常に喉越し、つるつると入ってコシがあるというふうに言われてますね。
So the specialty here is hot and cold noodles side by side.
温かいうどんと冷たいうどんですので、温かいうどんの方からお召し上がりくださいませ。
Okay. Now she said to try the warm one first. Oh, it's thinner than the normal udon noodles. That is fantastic. It's thinner, but it's more chewy. The broth tastes amazing and thick. And it goes down your throat very smoothly, which is, I've never tasted something that felt good going down your throat so much. Now, let's go for the cold one. Gotta compare the hot from the cold. I don't know which I like more. It's the same noodles, completely different taste. Either way, both are very smooth, but the colder one, because it's cold, it's a little harder, which kind of makes it more savory when you chew into it. Honestly, they're so different. I can't pick which one I like more. This is a really fun experience, though. The thing about Japan is if you're willing to make an effort to venture to these outside places, you will be rewarded.
I'm heading over to Sendai City now to experience sushi, Miyagi style.
Hi.
Hi.
It's a pleasure to meet you. Thank you
はじめまして。
so much for having me.
ようこそ立花へ。
As I sat there, I realized I know nothing about sushi etiquette.
ですから日本式でいきますね。
Okay. Oh, you make it overflow?
はい。これが正しい入れ方です。
Okay, so how do I drink it?
最初に飲んでください。
嫌いなものはありますね。
I will eat everything you give me.
何でもない。
Yes.
はい、じゃあこれお刺身です。
Every time he gave me my food, I didn't want to touch it. It was like eating art. This looks too good to eat.
パカンと。そうするとここの味噌も美味しい。はいはい、ちょんちょんとつけて。でこうチュッチュッと吸うような感じですね。はい。うん。甘いでしょ。
It is.
ね。
It is pretty sweet.
これにねわさびつけて食べてみてください。
Okay.
わさびちょっと多めに。
Almond.
うん。
So a little bit more than usual.
はい。
Put it with the daikon
はい。
and some soy
はい。
sauce. Mm. Mm.
どうぞどうぞ。
Oh my gosh, that was a little bit
ちょっと多
more
かったかな
wasabi
わさ
than
び。
usual. Oh. Note to self, Grace. Wasabi is not to be eaten by the teaspoonful. Never. Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna cry.
ちょっと多かったかな。はい。
Oh,
お待たせしました。こちらが仙台漬け丼
And
極み
then
でございます。
the dish that everyone is talking about arrived.
Oh my gosh.
これもね、宮城県の海苔、七ヶ浜というところの海苔なんですけど、海苔を手に乗せて、シャリ、ご飯、ライスを
Okay.
はい。
With the egg, okay. Oh.
そしてくるくるとこう
That is so rich in flavor.
各店作り方は自由なので、この漬け丼は立花の漬け丼。
Oh, so
はい
this shop.
はい。しかもこれは極みという豪華版です。全部で16種類ネタが入ってます。このメニュー一番書いてますけど、Welcome to 寿司パラダイス宮城。寿司の楽園宮城へようこそというくらい宮城県というのはいろんな魚が取れます。そしてお米、もですね、もう江戸時代から、宮城県のお米っていうのはとても有名。これもね、うちの親方が一生懸命作ってますから。
It warms me up. I've never had anything like it. It was an exotic Miyagi sashimi experience up close and personal.
I have no words for this place, and that's very unlike me.
I'm at Tsurunoyu Onsen, one of the oldest onsens in Akita.
It's amazing! I've just arrived. I'm in the middle of the mountains. I have no reception, and I couldn't be happier.
Everything looks like an Edo period artifact. The buildings, the onsen, even the food.
I'm getting ready for dinner. I am loving the environment. There's fish on a stick. I see a lot of food right here, and I'm excited to get started. I am here with the president of Tsurunoyu, Mr. Sato.
こちらは全部大きく分けて4つの棟があるんですけども、一番古いのがこちら今いらっしゃるところで、こちらで大体100年ぐらいで、ただ、100年とは言いましても使われている材木自体はもう200年とかなっているものもあって、回収して使ってます。ですね、こちらの狭い50メートル四方の場所に4種類の異なる温泉がこちら湧いてる珍しい場所なんですけども、それが全部露天風呂とか内風呂の方に分かれてまして、で、冬の間はその滝の湯っていう打たせ湯はないんですけども、その成分が全部違います。それで体に、対する効能も違うので、それを全部使い分けて入るとか、そういう面白さがあります。
So people must come here the most for that outside milky onsen that you guys have.
That's what I need to do. Get in that milky onsen.
Yay, that means you don't have to do that TV cover-up thing.
I felt like half my body was in a freezer, the other half bubbling away in a saucepan. But the payoff was immense.
It's -7 outside. The hotel is cold. So how far are you willing to go for a truly historic, and I mean historic, onsen experience?
And you're inside in this natural hot springs.
It's like we've time slipped into an ancient Japanese winter village.
It's fantastic.
As beautiful as this all is, I really need to slip into my warm futon right now.
Giant fluffy balls of Akita love.
Did you know Akita dogs were winter hunting dogs in the past?
Now that's actually mine.
However, they are primarily bred as companion dogs today. The most famous Akita dog was called Hachiko, who waited for his master to return for 10 years. Akita dogs are now an icon of loyalty and purity.
A short bus ride away from the Yamagata station and 800 meters above sea level lies the hot spring town of Zao Onsen. There are onsens galore. If you can't see them, you can certainly smell them.
The smell of onsen.
And where there are onsens, there's usually a volcano. And Zao Onsen is home to one of the most active volcanoes in the area, Mount Zao. It's also a well-known ski resort, but I'm not here to ski. I'm in search of monsters. But first, I need to meet 78-year-old trekking legend, Mr. Ida, who's gonna look after me. To get to our trekking starting point, we floated into nothingness until we were around 1,800 meters high.
It was like entering the heavens. It was white, mystical, and magical.
It was also cold, -11 cold.
I thought I have experienced cold before, but no.
So, we put on our special snowshoes and in the safe hands of my guide, walked out into the unknown. Unknown for me, that is, not for him. He's been doing this for 25 years.
These contraptions. I don't think it's really possible. You just sink the moment you step on it. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh. Those monsters have to be around here somewhere.
Oh.
And then, in the mother of all whiteouts, there they were.
Those trees, it was like being in another world.
These snow-covered fir trees, or juhyo in Japanese, are a historical phenomenon. When they are hit by a combination of wind, snow, and ice, the trees take on the most amazing formations. Monsters to some, corals to others. If you are unsure, just stare at them for a while and let your imagination do the rest. It was nothing short of breathtaking.
I can't actually describe it.
Can you see it in the distance? Getting closer so you can.
So I just did a snow angel.
Yep, that's me doing a snow angel in untouched virgin snow. If that's not a highlight of Tohoku, I don't know what is.
I seem to have turned up in Igloo Town. Clearly, igloos are not just for Eskimos.
I'm at the Yokote Kamakura igloo site. There seems to be a bunch of tiny little igloos. I'm gonna go help make some igloos and put little lights in them. And I hear it's gonna be beautiful at night. Marshmallows everywhere.
This may look like a thoroughly modern event, but this festival started 450 years ago.
昔は武家と商家、はい、侍と
Samurais
と商人ですね、商売人
normal regular
はい
merchants
お祭りが一緒になりまして、でその鎌倉を作って中に子供たちを入れて、でおもてなしをすると。で大人はその鎌倉に遊びに行ってお賽銭をあげて、でその子供たちがおだちにするという、そういうお祭りになります。
As we waited for nightfall and these baby igloos to make an impact, I decided to wander around town to see if I could find any grown-up igloos.
Wow, it's so cute. This is what I was waiting for. The snow festival looks completely different at night. Check it out. Ooh, I smell food. I think it's coming from in there. Hello. Wow. Can I have a mochi?
Yes.
I'll just do it here. Oh, hot, 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 hot. Did you make this?
No.
No. Who?
職人さん。
Kamakura shokunin.
職人さんからもらったバッジ。
Oh, you got badges from him. There's children in an igloo greeting you with food inside and conversation. It was such a heartwarming festival in the middle of winter. Itadakimasu. Oh, that's cute, that's cute. Wow.
Oh, I am, but okay. Hi. Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm meeting Mr. Kudo. Born and raised in Yamagata, he moved from being in the movie industry to a chef.
はい、はい、レバー的で箸あるかな。
It's really delicious. 美味しいです。
美味しい。はい、美味しいいただきました。
While Mr. Kudo serves a variety of super tasty food, there's one dish that keeps people coming back time and time again. The Yonezawa beef.
やっぱりその土地土地のね、風土にで生まれたものとありますから、山形しか食べれない野菜とか米沢牛も山形しか食べれませんよね。はい、どうぞ。
It looked like it's a pancake on a stick. Oh my gosh, this is amazing.
頑張ってやるね。みんなにね、楽しんでもらいたい。米沢牛食べてもらいたいから頑張ってる。
It was delicious, but so was everything. Food always tastes better in good company. And this was the best company anyone could ask for.
人間がいいですね。人がいいですね。うん。それが一番じゃないかな。うん。
It was such a warm ending to a cold but beautiful day. And I'm not just talking temperature-wise. The hospitality, the people, so warm. Amazing. Ten stars out of 5.
ありがとう、ありがとう。
Through this experience and through all the people I've met along the way, I've learned that Japan is not just high-tech and pop culture. I really got a sense of history,
What really opened my eyes is that the people of Tohoku made a big effort to preserve the history now. But it's not just this generation. They've been wanting to preserve their history for centuries. I mean, that is vision.
What an extraordinary Tohoku adventure.
Classic train. Only huggable.